Hello, this is Les Walkling, and welcome to this short video on working with our Bespoke printer profiles. Once the compressed folder containing your printer profiles has been downloaded, it should automatically decompress. But if it doesn't, just double-click on it to unzip it. Inside the folder you will find subfolders containing one of your Bespoke printer profiles, along with our Working with your Bespoke printer profile notes that outline where to store the profiles, as well as a statistical analysis of their accuracy, plus an explanation of how we've named them, and instructions on how to soft proof and print with them in your printing application, as well as a detailed explanation of the profile variants that we have provided, and an introduction to matching a print to its screen image, with additional reference material always available on our Theory of Practice website and YouTube channel. Each RGB printer profile that we've created for you is provided in our two standard profile variants, designated by their profile name suffixes, for example, BPWS and BPWC, which we describe in detail in your downloaded notes as follows. Our BPWS profile variant features our most neutral and numerically accurate colorimetric intent, while its perceptual intent optimizes tonality during gamut compression without oversaturating colors. Use our BPWS perceptual intent when printing images containing both important in-gamut colors, such as skin tones, as well as important out-of-gamut colors, such as highly saturated values. On the other hand, our BPWC profile variant has a similar colorimetric intent to BPWS, but its perceptual intent significantly enhances both local colorfulness as well as local tonality, despite the overall gamut compression. Use our BPWC perceptual intent when printing images where enhanced separation, luminosity, and presence is desired, and especially when printing on matte surfaces. However, if important in-gamut colors, such as skin tones, start to become overemphasized, then instead print with our BPWS perceptual intent. And each black and white printer profile that we've created for you is supplied in a single BPWD variant that has the same relative colorimetric intent as our BPWC profiles, but that is also carefully neutralized relative to the paper's non-fluorescing white point, and with a perfectly linear transition from its blackest possible black to paper white. On the other hand, our BPWD perceptual intent adds depth and incredible richness to the midtones and shadow values, reminiscent of the most beautiful, silver-rich, graded black and white print emulsions prior to 1986, and is therefore helpful when the look and feel of the finest silver gelatine darkroom prints is your prime objective. Additional specialist profile variants, as explained in the profile variants paper on our Theory of Practice website, can be created for you as needed or on request to further expand your creative options or improve your workflow efficiencies. The relative colorimetric lookup tables in your BPWS RGB profiles and BPWD black and white profiles are exceedingly accurate numerical representations of your original image, when the prints are viewed under 400 to 500 lux of D50 illumination as per the recommendations in ISO 3664, graphic technology and photography viewing conditions. However, don't make the mistake of thinking that your print's appearance is incorrect if its screen appearance doesn't closely match it. Before making any such print-to-screen comparisons, always ensure the brightness and the color of your paper's white point, as viewed under your standard print viewing conditions, is a close visual match to the brightness and color of your monitor's white point. If both white points aren't a close visual match, then you can't even begin to compare, let alone accurately and reliably evaluate their correlation. Now, more information on this is on the last page of your Working with Your Bespoke Printer Profile notes, including references to additional information on our Theory of Practice website and our YouTube channel. And it really has been a delight to create these beautiful bespoke printer profiles for you. And we trust you will enjoy working with them as they ensure the highest possible print quality and printing efficiency, with numerical accuracy and pictorial consistency across all your different media, along with our uniquely poetic perceptual lookup tables, whose aesthetic priorities greatly enhance your print's appearance, especially its separation, presence, and dimensionality, as well as facilitating your print-to-screen matching and overall workflow efficiency. And with that, we wish you all the best with your adventures in printmaking.